Got right here a whole bunch more crazy cool inventions. This right here, pretty interesting everyday self-defense tool right here, but at the same time this right here on spins, and you got like a little toothpick or like a splinter puller little tool. You can also flip it over and put it this way. That's pretty strange tool right here for sure, don't you guys think? So yeah, then you can take it apart, boom, put it the other way. That is definitely one of a kind. And there's a kind of like a window breaker. I guess it goes through here. It doesn't fit my fingers that very well, but yeah. Next I got right here everyday carry. Wow, that's a super light titanium pry bar. You see how there's a little slit like that, and at the same time bottle opener. That is looking so cool. Put it on your keychain. Extremely lightweight. That is awesome. Did you know that you can buy $20 or $25 titanium straw? A lot of people buy themselves drinking cups or drinking mugs, and you can put straw into it, and guess what, you can upgrade into a titanium one. Check out this design. Yeah, that's a pretty unique gadget for sure. $20 straw. How about keychain knife sharpener? These things are super cool, high quality. There's the name, prototype, 1 of 1. That's awesome. So you put the knife blade between here and sharpen it up, I guess. But yeah, there's JK logo. These things are pretty cool. These are miniature ones, different colors. This is everyday carry toothpick, keychain toothpick. Slides out this way, halfway in and all the way out. It's just like a dentist tool in a sense. It's all metal, and also you can take the splinter out with those things. So unique. So kind of like this way so it doesn't come out. Magnetic quick connect or quick release. These things are getting smaller and smaller. I love it. Check this out. So if you need to pull a tool apart or maybe keys apart, I think it's probably best for fishing and things like that, that you have to take it apart and put it back together from your backpack or like a strap. That's kind of cool. I like that invention a lot. How about the Snowflake MultiTool keychain tool over here? A bit hefty, but you know what? It's cool. You have a whole bunch of different Allen wrenches, a flat head and a Phillips head. Keychain multi-tool. That's funny. This one is a ridiculous one. This is a flashlight pen. Just press it, light on, off, and at the same time you got it here a fidget spinner pen. Oh wow, spins hella well. Guess what? Now you also got a pen and a flashlight and a fidget spinner to distress. I like it that there's a flashlight. First of all, you can use it, wow, pretty bright, and at the same time spin it and distress. Got right here another credit card size knife. Ooh, I love that. Where's the logo? So I guess you'd hold it this way. This is quite sharp. I think that's titanium, so you'd have to hold it this way. Interesting design, super beautiful and lightweight, so you won't even feel it. Probably like a little bit bigger than a credit card, thicker I mean. But yeah, very unique design. Those things, credit card size knives, are really popular. This titanium is expensive. Jordan metal art, another one. They said here like a capsule, dry capsule to keep your firewood dry or whatever vitamins. You see that there's a JK. He makes some cool stuff. So if you want to bring vitamins with you, there you go. Look how well it closes. So it's perfect keychain. There's so many different keychains you can choose from. I love keychains. If I only have 1 or 2 keys, I have to have a keychain so that way I don't lose the keys. I have to have something thicker. There's a little Amazon miniature knife that you don't see every day for sure. Let's see how reliable that is. So it's keychain. Oh wow, that is cool. You just push and pull Whoa, look how thick that is. I know. Quite comfortable to grab and open boxes. This is pretty sharp and at the same time really thick. Not sure what it's made of, but yeah, you see there's one section comes out like kinda this way. There's a couple notches, so you can just pull it out, hold it, open stuff, pull it all the way out, open boxes, close it back up. Interesting. Would you carry something like that on a keychain? Kinda would be afraid a little bit this thing sliding out on me while it's in the pocket with keys. Strange little gadget. Another zipper holder right here. So you put it to the zipper, but that way your zippers look cool. As you can see, it's shells, a couple of shells. Looks like it's 40. Yeah, maybe it would be cool to put some on a backpack, so that way it's easier to grab the zipper, open it and close it, and at the same time looking pretty cool. You all know Olight. Olight is a flashlight company. Once in a while they make some unique stuff like knives, and in this case this is a pry bar. Whoa, that's a cool pry bar multi-tool. First of all, really thick, looks like a wrench over here, bottle opener. I like how much bigger pry bar that is. What is made out of? Titanium pry bar, as you can see right here. Opry, I think it's called Opry, not sure. Look at that smiley face. I don't know if I like that. Look at that bend. So you can, ooh, that sounds cool. Kind of fun to click it. But yeah, you can put it in your pocket anywhere on a keychain. Oh, there you go. You just twist it, and you have right here a couple of bits. One's a star bit. You kind of have to grab it and twist it. And where do we put it? In here. And flathead, Phillips head. That is cool. So it's a pry bar, screwdriver, and I love it that it's big. This thing is pretty tight. There you go. There's a little trick to it. You just have to confidently open. Wow, that one is actually cool. There you go. Twist it. Boom. I like that one a lot. And another everyday care, pretty cool gadget over here. Found that one on Amazon. This one is more like for satisfaction. Little clicker. Wow. Very lightweight, but look how beautiful that is. I love little square rectangles. And there's magnets pulling together, so that way you can mess with that, you know, to satisfy your needs of clicking noises. I know, maybe distress. And at the same time this side here pops out. They're all magnetic. Pretty fun. So yeah, weird stuff they make. I think that's like aluminum. Okay, I guess we call it a day. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. This one is definitely a weird one. And a lot of these items I showed you is handmade. Like this one is like $175. Definitely one of a kind.